All right, so you're gonna take a look at the workbook, Maslow's Pyramid of Motivation. You'll walk through the intro, all the charts is here, the downloadable PDF is here. Read through all these sections. It will help you to understand, but you can, again, work through this tool and coach yourself. One thing, leverage ChatGPT as a coaching assistant. Here's the prompt. I'm using Maslow's pyramid to coach myself. I want to understand clarity about the needs that remain unfulfilled. Generate some coaching questions for me. And here are the coaching questions for you already, right? Like here's an example. For example, we're going to use esteem needs, right? So on the level of esteem needs, you're going to generate, using this prompt, all these questions, write them all down in one column, right? And write through it. Do all the self-reflection exercise and write through every single question, right? After you complete all this work at every particular level of need, you take this part, you take all this content from the second column, you copy paste it into ChatGPT, and you ask yourself, hey, I've been coaching myself through this, and currently working through this level of need. Summarize and organize my thoughts. What are the unaddressed needs? What are my pains? Anything I'm missing? How can I successfully address them? And maybe create an action plan for me to address those needs. So again, take your time, work through every level, or in particular, work through the level that really bothers you. Something that you would really want to understand. Where is this unfulfilled need in me? What is the need? Where is it coming from? And what kind of pain does this create? And how can I address this? What would be the actions to take, and what kind of planning I need to do, and how do I execute on this plan? Hopefully this helps. Work through this. Let me know how it goes.